I'm going to take you through how to correctly reschedule an appointment within Praktika in order for it to reflect in all of your reports and the patient file. So there are two ways that we can reschedule an appointment. The first way is directly from the appointment itself. So to do that, we're going to go to the appointment that we need to reschedule, and we're going to click on it. Now, you have to mark the appointment, the patient response, as either cancelled, or if it's an appointment on today, then you'll be able to mark it as FTA'd. So in this particular case, the patient has called up and they need to reschedule the appointment. I want to record it as being rescheduled. So I'm going to mark it as cancelled here. And then you'll notice once you do that, you'll get this button enabled, reschedule as a copy. So it means that it's going to reschedule the appointment as a copy. So it's going to keep this original appointment there in the appointment book, but it's going to create a copy based on when you need to reschedule the appointment. So we're going to go ahead and click this button here, and it's going to bring up your appointment block search. So if you haven't seen this appointment block search, you can find more information on this. There is a specific video in our YouTube channel which has more detail on this area. However, we are going to skip to using it now. So if the patient has a specific day or time they need to reschedule, we can use this appointment block search to help us find that appointment. So if they're only available on a particular day, you can have the blue highlighted on that particular day. Just for the purpose of this example, I'm going to have them all highlighted so we can see available appointments to reschedule to. So let's click on the appointment here on Monday, the 18th of November. We're going to reschedule this appointment to 10 a.m. So when I click that, this appointment's already been rescheduled. So you have a note on the original appointment notifying you of when that appointment was rescheduled to and who it was done by. I can close out of this and I can see that rescheduled to 18th of November at 10 a.m. So this original appointment will stay in the appointment scheduler until I decide whether I want to delete it or move it. Over on Monday the 18th, I can see that new appointment has already been made automatically for me based on the exact copy of that original appointment. You'll also see that note rescheduled from the 20th of the 11th. So you have those details there as well. If you've successfully rescheduled that appointment, you can either drag the appointment into an admin or FTA and cancellation column. If you want, you can leave it the full length, otherwise you can shorten it to create more space in that column. Otherwise, you can also just delete the appointment. Once it's been marked as a cancellation or an FTA, when you delete it, it still will show in the reports, FTA and cancellations. Go by date of cancellation. This is going to show us all cancelled appointments. So it will still show in this report. The clear rows here symbolize appointments that haven't been rescheduled. You can reschedule those from this report if you wish. The green highlighted ones are successful reschedules. We also have the percent rescheduled on the bottom right. If you are wanting an admin column or an extra column for FTA and cancellations because you don't have one, please reach out to our support team and we can get that column created for you.